understand it in terms of pent-up feelings. I mean, we all have times when it would be fun just to break something.
Because when we were surfing the sites, you know, we see some things that are a little edgy out there, and then talking to these guys, it was quite a...
Hi, this is Death Veggie, Minister of Propaganda for Cult of the Dead Cow Communications, bringing you our Media Global Domination update for October 1996. Progressing well on schedule, and by this rate, we should be in full control of this measly little planet that you call Earth by the year 2003. Have a nice day.
Database of security vulnerabilities.
Greetings from the loft. Current stock tip in the hacker community seems to be dealing with security.